Imagine building a freelance career online. But in 2025, when competition is fierce and AI is changing the landscape, is Fiverr still a platform where you can earn real money, or has it become too saturated to bother with? Today, we dig deep into 2025's trends to figure out if Fiverr remains a profitable option, or if it's time to look elsewhere. First, yes, Fiverr still has strength in its numbers and demand. In 2025, the platform continues to serve thousands of freelancers across hundreds of categories. Demand is especially strong in AI-related services, tech support, creative work, and digital services like video editing, graphic design, and content production. Businesses are increasingly outsourcing work, and many still value human creativity or editing over automated solutions. Even though the total number of active buyers has changed compared to previous years, many buyers are spending more per transaction. If you find the right niche and focus on high-quality work, there's still real opportunity for profit. That said, there are challenges. One of the biggest is oversaturation. With thousands of freelancers offering similar gigs, new sellers may struggle to get visibility without carefully positioning themselves. Some established gigs also see fewer orders than before, especially in highly competitive areas. Another challenge is the rise of AI-driven services. Buyers now have access to automated alternatives for simple tasks like basic content generation or design, making competition tougher. That means focusing on commoditized work alone may not be enough. Clients often prioritize expertise, quality, or unique value over cost. So, can someone still make serious money on Fiverr in 2025? The honest answer is yes, but only if you adapt. Choose a niche that values human creativity or technical skill, deliver high-quality work, optimize your gig titles and descriptions, and stay active and responsive. Treat Fiverr as one channel among many, and consider diversifying your freelance presence to maximize opportunities. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, subscribe for more honest freelancing insights, and comment below sharing your Fiverr experience or plans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.